So here we have our puppies. There's Tess and Hank. So Tess and Hank, and then we have Red Collar right here. She's going to Jose. And then we got Dark Green Boy. He's going to Ron. And then we got Purple over here. Purple Collar. Oh, there you go. There's Purple right here. So there's our little Elsa. So that's Elsa. And then we got Tova here. So that's Tova. And there's Bella, our long coat. And then we got Blue Boy in the back there. Puppies! Puppies! I'm calling! Puppy! Hi, puppies! The Tova's right there. She's the last one. And then, yeah, then Purple. What's the matter, puppies? Hey, Hank! Hank! Oh, puppies! I thought I'd do my video from a distance, that way we can actually get them on video without them following me. And that's it for today. That's our last update. Our puppies are going to be leaving. They're 7 weeks old, and we're going to miss my puppies, eh? Puppies! Puppies! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? So that's it. So we will, not see you the next time because it's the last video. But, yeah. So say bye, guys. Bye. Puppy.